Hi everyone, it's Juliet here. I am following up from my last video and letting you guys know that I have started a new Facebook group. And in that group, I am going to post all of my videos. So they will still be on YouTube, but you will access them through the group. Right now, I'm not charging anything. It's totally free. And I am planning to do some, live beat-alongs and things in there once we get rolling. And also, I know some of you are maybe not on Facebook, but don't worry about that because I am working on something else for you guys as well. So I don't want anyone to be left out, but as I said in my last video, things need to change here a little bit. So if you're on Facebook, I'm gonna put it in the comments below. Please come along and join my group. Make sure you answer the 3 questions that are asked for membership because that's important. And I will see you guys there. Bye for now.